Most of you must have heard about the new AI chatbot called ChatGPT. It was launched in November 2022, and since then it has blown up the internet. In just 5 days after its launch, it reached over 1 million users. People have been using it for several things like writing computer codes, essays, and even scamming other people. Yes, it's that smart. It has an amazing ability to answer questions, correct grammar, and even pass exams. It was recently subjected to the famous US medical licensing exams, popularly known as USMLE. And guess what? It passed all the steps. Interesting, right? I've received several questions from my mentees regarding how to use ChatGPT for research. So I've been playing with it for weeks now, and I've come to find out that it has some pros and cons when it comes to scientific writing. So it can provide ideas and suggestions for your research, and even help you to rewrite or summarize difficult passages in your write-up. However, it's not without some major limitations, as it provides very authoritative responses, which in some cases are completely wrong, and it cannot provide you with recent information since at the moment it's only trained with data up to 2021. And the most serious of them all is plagiarism. Now, is it ethical to use ChatGPT for scientific writing? Subscribe and check out my full video on the ethics of using AI for scientific writing. But until then, peace.